Southwest 1380 has an engine fire descending. Yes, sir, we're single engine descending, have a fire number 1.
Alright, Southwest 1380, okay, where would you like to go to? Which airport?
We're looking at Philly.
It was very instinctual for me to immediately think of how can I communicate with my loved ones, and any idea how long it's going to take, how much time you have left, how can I reach people en masse.
Engine went out and had a window go out, a lady go out the window, and I couldn't pull her in. The guy helped, and we got her pulled in, and they tried to resuscitate her. Anyway, the crew and the pilot, they got it landed somehow.
And how much of her was out of the plane?
Half. Of course, the pilot, she was amazing. I mean, 30 years experience and just knew to get us down, and within 5 minutes or whatnot, 30,000 feet, that's pretty incredible. She's phenomenal. She's amazing.
Did you have the medical meet us there on the runway as well? We've got injured passengers.
Injured passengers, okay, and is your airplane physically on fire?
No, it's not on fire, but part of it's missing. They said there's a hole and someone went out. South 1380, airport's in sight.
Southwest 1380, runway 27 left, clear to land.
We're going to stop right here by the fire truck. Thanks, guys, for the help.
True hero. The courage it took for her to take control of that situation and really just save everyone on board is really just unbelievable.